Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate comfort food, chicken and dumplings, in the crock pot. It's easy, hearty, and perfect for a busy day. Let's get started. Add half of a diced onion. I like to space everything out equally, but that's up to you. For my next ingredient, I used 1 can of Del Mar's Southwest style corn. It came with poblano peppers and red peppers in there with the corn. I thought I'd add just a little bit of a nice taste. Add 4 chicken breasts to the top of your vegetables. As always, there's a full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions in the description below. Go check it out. Okay, now time to spice it up. Start with 2 cups of low-sodium chicken broth. As for spices, add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 1 teaspoon of pepper. Alright, almost done here. Add 2 cans, or 1 family-sized can, of unsalted cream of chicken soup. Also, if you have any cooking tips or any ideas as to what you want me to make next, put it down in the comments. Any input is greatly appreciated. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of butter to the top, put the lid on, and cook on low for 5 hours. Once your 5 hours of cooking on low are up, go fishing for your chicken. Pull it out and put it into a separate bowl. Shred your chicken with 2 forks, and once it's to your desired size, just put the chicken right back into the crock pot. Once you add your chicken back to the pot, give it a good stir. Next, you're going to take 1 can of biscuits. I recommend the Jumbo Flaky Buttermilk Biscuits. Pull it off into little pieces and cover the top of your mixture so it's evenly covered. Once everything is covered with your biscuits, place the lid on top. We'll be cooking for 1 hour this time, but it'll be on high. Once the hour is up, check your biscuits to see if they are the consistency you want. If not, you may have to cook for another 10-15 minutes on high. If not, then it's all ready to go and dig in. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other recipes. Thanks for watching.